Welcome to this video lecture. Today we are going to discuss MCQs related to the chapter 3. Topic is the structure, pointer and file handling. I received so much comments regarding the computer notes. I have given the notes link in the description. You can go and take it. Now let's start. Question number 1. Which operator is used to connect a structure name to its member name? Options are dot operator, logical operator, pointer operator and arrow operator. So correct answer is option number A, dot operator. Question number 2. Which of the following is a collection of different data types? Options are string, array, structure, files. So correct answer is option number C, structure. Question number 3. Which of the following statement about union is false? Options are a union is a structure whose members share the same memory area. The compiler will keep track of what type of information is currently stored. Only one of the member of a union can be assigned a value at a particular time. The size allocated for a union is the size of its member needing the maximum storage. So correct answer is option number B. The compiler will keep track of what type of information is currently stored. Question number 4. Which of the following are themselves a collection of different data types? Options are string, structure, char, all of the mentioned. So correct answer is option number B, structure. Question number 5. User defined data type can be derived using options are struct, enum, typedef, all of the mentioned. So correct answer is option number D, all of the mentioned. Question number 6. Which of the following cannot be a structure member? Options are another structure, functions, array, none of the mentioned. So correct answer is option number B, function. Question number 7. Which of the following structure declaration will throw an error? Options are struct temp, curly bracket, we define the structure as semicolon. Option number B, struct temp, semicolon, struct temp as semicolon, main function. Struct temp as semicolon, struct temp curly braces, main. None of the mentioned. So correct answer is option number D, none of the mentioned. Now MCQs related to the pointer. Question number 1. What is the base data type of a pointer variable? Options are int, float, no data type, unsigned int. So correct answer is option number C, no data type. Question number 2. In C, a pointer variable to an integer can be created by the declaration. Options are int p asterisk, int asterisk p semicolon, int plus p semicolon, int $p semicolon. So correct answer is option number B, int asterisk p semicolon. Question number 3. Which of the following statement are correct about key used in the below statement? Char 4 times asterisk k semicolon. Options are k is a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a char. K is a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a char. K is a pointer to a char pointer. K is a pointer to a pointer to a char. So correct answer is option number B. K is a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a char. Now I will explain you how this option is correct. Explanation. Char is a base data type character. First asterisk pointer to a char asterisk pointer to a pointer to a char asterisk asterisk. Again pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a char 3 times asterisk pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a pointer to a char 4 times asterisk, then pointer variable name semicolon. In this way we have chosen the correct answer. Question number 4. A pointer variable can be passed to a function, changed within a function, returned by a function, assigned an integer value. So correct answer is option number C, returned by a function. Question number 5. What is a wild pointer? Options are a pointer which is a wild in nature, a pointer which has no value, a pointer which is not initialized, none of the above. So correct answer is option number C, a pointer which is not initialized. It is called wild pointer. Question number 6. In order to fetch the address of a variable, we use which preceding sign before the variable name? Options are %, comma, ampersand, asterisk. So correct answer is option number C, ampersand. Ampersand is denote the address of a variable. Question number 7. The address stored in a pointer variable is of type integer, float, array, character. So correct answer is option number A, integer. Question number 8. Which of the following is the correct way of declaring a float pointer? Options are float ptr, semicolon, float asterisk ptr, semicolon, asterisk float ptr, semicolon, none of the above. So correct answer is option number B, float asterisk ptr, semicolon. Question number 9. What will be the output of the following program? There is a program given in the block main function. Inside the main function printf %d, comma, size of int asterisk, comma, size of int asterisk asterisk. Options are 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 8. So correct answer is option number C, 4, 4. ज़्यादातर सिस्टम्स में जो इंट की साइज होती है वो 4 बाइट होती है। साइज ऑफ इंट एस्ट्रिक एक पॉइंटर टू इंट का साइज रिटर्न करेगा। साइज ऑफ इंट एस्ट्रिक एस्ट्रिक एक पॉइंटर टू इंट का साइज रिटर्न करेगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, विच इज एन इनडायरेक्शन ऑपरेटर अमंग द फॉलोइंग? ऑप्शंस आर एंड, एस्ट्रिक, एरो, डॉट. So correct answer is option number B, asterisk. The indirection operator is a unary operator represented by simple asterisk. It is used to obtain the value of a variable to which a pointer point. किसी पॉइंटर पे जो वैल्यू स्टोर है उसकी वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हम इनडायरेक्शन ऑपरेटर का यूज़ करते हैं। नाउ MCQs related to the file handling. Question number 1. Which of the following is true about file asterisk fp? Options are file is a keyword in C for representing files and fp is a variable of a file type. File is a stream, file is a buffered stream, file is a structure and fp is a pointer to the structure of file type. So correct answer is option number D. File is a structure and fp is a pointer to the structure of file type. Question number 2. Which of the following mode argument is used to truncate a file? Options are A, W, F, T. So correct answer is option number B, W. Open a file for writing and truncate it to 0 length if it is exist. Question number 3. File is of which type? Options are int type, char asterisk type, struct type, none of the mentioned. So correct answer is option number C, struct type. Question number 4. Where is the data of a file stored? Options are RAM, hard disk, ROM, none of these. So correct answer is option number B, hard disk. Question number 5. File reserved word is a structure tag declared in studio.h, one of the basic data type in C. Pointer to the structure defined in studio.h is a type name defined in studio.h. So correct answer is option number D. It is a type name defined in studio.h. Question number 6. For binary file, which mode string must be appended? So options are double quotes small b, double quotes capital B, double quotes binary, double quotes 01. So correct answer is option number A, double quotes B. Question number 7. What is the function of a mode W plus? Create a text file for writing, discard previous content if any. Create a text file for updating, discard previous content if any. Create text file for writing, does not discard previous content if any. Create a text file for update, does not discard previous content if any. So correct answer is option number B. Create a text file for update, discard previous content if any. Question number 8. Which mode is used to open an existing file for both reading and writing? Options are R plus, W plus, A plus, none of the mentioned. So correct answer is option number A, R plus. Question number 9. Which function is used to write a string to a file? Options are puts, putc, fputs, fgets. So correct answer is option number C, fputs. Question number 10. What does temp file method return when it could not create the file? Options are stream and null, only null, does not return anything. So correct answer is option number A, stream and null. Temp file return a stream or null if it could not create the file. This is the MCQs related to the chapter 3. All the notes and playlist are given in the description of every video. You can click on that and check it. If you have any doubt, please comment. I will help you on that. Thank you.